Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to add age restrictions to your Roblox game. For this, we need to open the browser where you play Roblox. Here we search for Roblox Studio. Now let's go to Roblox Creator Hub and log into your account, right? And here are my games. To set age restrictions, click on the three dots and then the button. Don't click any button yet. Here we need to click on the Creations button. Here are my places. Should we click the pencil or not? 1 second. Click on the three dots. Let's open it in a new window. Now scroll down. Here's content maturity. Click start here. Now we'll go through this questionnaire. For example, it asks if it contains violence, yes, specific types, adjust settings for each age group, like if blood is realistic or not. Click save. Basically, complete this questionnaire, after which it will suggest age restrictions for your game. There, that's all. This was Velour. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.